This is a brand new 2014 Ford Focus. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, cruise control, and Microsoft Sync. With it, you can play music on popular MP3 players and integrate Bluetooth-compatible phones, so you can talk while keeping both hands on the steering wheel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Sound Ford is located at 101 Southwest Grady Way in Renton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.